Number 1. Look at the picture marked number 1 in your book. A,
The man is reading a newspaper.
B,
The journalist is covering a story.
C,
The waiter is covering the table.
D,
The student is taking an exam.
Number 2. Look at the picture marked number 2 in your book. A,
She's cleaning up a spill.
B,
She's putting liquid into a tube.
C,
She's watering the plants.
D,
She's filling her car with gas.
Number 3. Look at the picture marked number 3 in your book. A,
The plane is taking off.
B,
The mechanics repair the engine.
C,
The car motor is being serviced.
D,
The bird's wing is broken.
Number 4. Look at the picture marked number 4 in your book. A,
The paper is in the printer.
B,
The advertisements are on TV.
C,
The newspapers are on display.
D,
The brochures are along the wall.
Number 5. Look at the picture marked number 5 in your book. A,
The passengers are standing in the rain.
B,
The passengers are ready to board the plane.
C,
The passengers are playing a game.
D,
The passengers are waiting for takeoff.
Number 6. Look at the picture marked number 6 in your book. A,
The books are over the desk.
B,
The drawers are open.
C,
The computer is in the cabinet.
D,
The cooks are at the counter.
Number 7. Look at the picture marked number 7 in your book. A,
The park is very crowded.
B,
The wallpaper is on display.
C,
The paintings are in the gallery.
D,
The artist is painting a portrait.
Number 8. Look at the picture marked number 8 in your book. A,
They're pointing at the map.
B,
They're polishing the table.
C,
They're looking at the screen.
D,
They're setting the table for dinner.
Number 9. Look at the picture marked number 9 in your book. A,
The factory workers are busy sewing.
B,
The women are trying on clothes.
C,
The clerks are close to the door.
D,
The customers are buying thread.
Number 10. Look at the picture marked number 10 in your book. A,
The room is full of diners.
B,
The tables are not set.
C,
The banquet has not started yet.
D.
The bank is not open.